Alright guys, so I just did something, right Lauren? I did something, and shut up playing, so I got a bunch of fruit snacks, and then I put them in this Lego souvenir cup, and I put it in the microwave for like 5 minutes. I think it only did like, but I think I left it only in there for like 2, and this is what happened. It's still hot. Wait. I don't know if it's good or not, but you guys should have seen. Not that bad. But you guys should have seen it when it was like when I got it out, because it was like bubbling. Well anyways, I just made that video because I was bored. Okay, bye guys.